Hi, Dr. Brad Conder here, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about custom orthotics. It's something we do here at Focus Physical Therapy, and it sometimes can be confusing on whether you need custom orthotics or not. My personal opinion is that everyone needs to be evaluated whether they need custom orthotics or they don't. I have oftentimes used over-the-counter orthotics in place of custom orthotics because of the cost, and also sometimes you don't need that much help. But what we started to offer here at Focus Physical Therapy is we do have a new custom orthotic machine. It's called Foot Levelers. It actually has a scanning device to be able to get on and scan your feet. What it will do will scan all your arches, because there's actually more than one. There's actually 4 arches that we want to look at. And when you get this scan, you'll be able to see where your arches are falling out and how that impacts your body. So what does custom orthotics do? Well, the main thing it's going to do is be able to kind of get you over the hump as far as some hard conditions you've been dealing with for a long time. Over-the-counter orthotics are great, and I suggest them a lot, but sometimes if you need to take that next step, custom orthotics is possibly the way to go. Something we're running this month is kind of a special. You can get scanned for free, but you can buy them for $150. That's our cost to us. And so I just want to kind of show you what our custom orthotic station looks like. So this is our station. You actually will go and get scanned on this device. We have our kiosk set up and our scanning station. Come in and get scanned, something easy, free to do, and then we can kind of look to see if you need custom orthotics. Again, the whole purpose of getting them is to make sure that if you're having continuing ongoing foot pain, sometimes knee pain, back pain, it can actually help get you over the hump to get you to that next level and help your feet out. Thanks a lot, and see you soon.